Hey, my name is Jack. I'm the co-founder of RedTables.AI. Wanted to show you how it works under the hood, take a little demo. So first thing, if we go ahead and continue to the app, you're gonna see it's a really simple 4-step process with RedTables. So the first thing you're gonna do, upload your CSV of leads or prospects that you wanna reach in the campaign. So you can see I just uploaded 7 rows right here. And then you're gonna go ahead and make sure that the columns match correctly. So you can hit auto map columns. This is gonna be able to get most of them based on some of these column headers. But you wanna make sure that it got all of these required ones. Next thing you're gonna do, confirm those field mappings. This is where you get to the real nitty gritty of what RedTables does. You can actually select your research points. So first of all, persona overview. Let's say that you're making cold calls. You wanna know what this person does for work. You wanna know what kind of pains that they're facing so you can take a value-based selling approach. This is gonna be really helpful for that. The other thing is understanding what a company does. So you get to pick these, but in most cases, you're gonna need to know what the company does, how they make money, when they were found, what their customers look like. And then of course, recent news. So if there's anything interesting that you can kind of go off of on the call or in the email, that's gonna really help you out. Now, another thing is custom research. This basically kind of lets you allow the AI to freestyle whatever you need it to do with the leads. So you can process this at a really big scale. So let's say that I want to have it write an email for me based on every single one of these prospects. What am I going to do? Cool. So this is a super simple cold email right here saying, hey, saw a company recently had some recent news. I speak with people in your title every day and they all seem to be struggling with pain points. So this is going to be hyper personalized. Next, we're going to hit generate research. Especially when you go in with a custom prompt and ask it to write a bunch of emails for you, it can take a little bit longer. This is actually a pretty quick process, and you can let it run in the background. So you can always go walk away. As long as you keep the tab open and running, you can go do other things, do whatever you need to do, and come back when it's finished. So now you can see that the enhanced data is ready, so you'll be able to see how many rows you've processed, and of course you can see the AI generated insights. So of course right here we've got Andrew McAfee, co-founder of WorkHelix. So let's go see what kind of insights we got. So first of all, persona insights, you can see the things that Andrew is tasked with as the co-founder. And more importantly for a lot of us, it's gonna be pain points. So pain points for individuals in this role often include navigating the complexities of scaling a startup. So there's a lot of different things that we can look at here. Then of course, we've got a company overview. So it's gonna tell us a little bit about how this company makes money, who their customers are, what they do, where they started, and it gives you a bunch of relevant info so you know who you're talking to. And then there's some recent news. So you can see they announced the launch of a new failure set designed to enhance remote team collaboration. So lots of really cool info in the recent news. Then of course we can go to the custom insights and take a look at what we actually were able to get this email written for us. So as you can see, hey Andrew, saw WorkHelix recently launched a new feature set for remote team collaboration. Pretty cool. I speak with co-founders every day and they all seem to be struggling with managing limited resources effectively. Is this something you run into at WorkHelix? I built a doc going over how we've helped similar co-founders. Okay, if I send it over. So you can see right there, you can go and throw in 5,000 people and it can write a completely custom email for you for every single one based on their pain points, based on recent news, and you can keep it really simple. Not only is this gonna help with sending a lot of emails, but you're gonna be saving a ton of time. So that is RedTables. You can of course go and save your table. So demo table, and you're done.